Hey everyone, welcome back to Branco AutoFix. If you own an electric car or are planning to get one, there are some mistakes you must avoid if you want to keep your EV running efficiently and avoid costly repairs. Today, I'm sharing 10 things you should never do to an electric car. And trust me, number 10 might shock you. Let's get started. 1. Never let the battery fully drain. Think of your EV battery like your smartphone battery. If you keep running it down to 0%, it degrades faster over time. While most EVs have battery management systems to prevent total depletion, consistently letting the charge drop too low can reduce your battery's overall lifespan. What to do instead? Keep your charge level above 20% whenever possible. If you're on a long road trip, plan your charging stops to avoid deep discharges. Some EVs allow you to set a low battery warning at a custom percentage. Use this feature. 2. Never overcharge the battery. While it's tempting to keep your EV at 100% for maximum range, doing this too often can put unnecessary stress on the battery. Just like draining it too low, always keeping it at 100% can reduce long-term battery health. Best practices. If your car allows it, set a charging limit to 80 to 90% for daily use. Only charge to 100% if you're about to take a long trip. Use smart chargers that automatically stop charging when reaching the set limit. 3. Never use the wrong charging cable. Not all charging cables are the same. EVs use different charging standards, like CCS, CHAdeMO, and Tesla's proprietary chargers, and using the wrong one could either fail to charge or even damage the charging system. Pro tips. Check your EV's manual to know which chargers are compatible. Avoid using low-quality third-party charging cables, as they may overheat or provide inconsistent power. If you travel, carry a universal adapter for different charging stations. 4. Never ignore software updates. Just like your smartphone, EVs receive software updates that can improve battery performance, add new features, and fix security vulnerabilities. Ignoring updates could mean missing out on important improvements. Why updates matter. Some EVs receive performance enhancements via updates, like Tesla's acceleration boost. Updates can fix charging bugs or improve range estimation. Some updates even introduce new driving modes for better efficiency. 5. Never rely only on fast charging. Fast charging is convenient, but can generate excessive heat, causing long-term battery degradation. Think of it like eating fast food every day. It's okay sometimes, but not as a habit. Best practices. Use Level 2 home charging for regular charging. Reserve DC fast charging for long trips or emergencies. If you must fast charge, try to keep the charge level between 20 to 80% to reduce stress on the battery. 6. Never ignore regenerative braking settings. Regenerative braking is one of the best features of EVs. It converts kinetic energy back into battery power, but many drivers don't use it properly. What you should do? Set regenerative braking to high for city driving to recover more energy. In slippery conditions, reduce regen braking to avoid sudden stops. Practice one-pedal driving, if your EV supports it, to maximize energy efficiency. 7. Never drive aggressively. EVs deliver instant torque, which makes them fun to drive, but aggressive acceleration drains your battery much faster. You'll lose range and put more stress on your tires and drivetrain components. Pro tips. Use Eco Mode to limit power output and extend range. Avoid rapid acceleration and hard braking. Smooth driving keeps the battery healthy. Plan your routes to avoid unnecessary acceleration on short trips. 8. never ignore. Tire maintenance. Because EVs are heavier due to their batteries, they put more pressure on the tires. This means your tires will wear out faster than on a regular gas car if you don't maintain them. Maintenance tips. Check tire pressure regularly. Low pressure can reduce range. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure even wear. Use low rolling resistance tires for better efficiency. 9. Never wash your EV carelessly. EVs are built to handle rain, but that doesn't mean you should blast them with high-pressure water directly on the charging port or sensors. What to do instead? Use a mild hand wash or automatic car wash designed for EVs. Always close the charging flap before washing. Avoid spraying water directly at battery cooling vents or under the car. 10. Never assume EVs have no maintenance. Many people think EVs are maintenance-free, but that's a myth. While they have fewer moving parts, they still need regular maintenance to stay in top shape. Things you must check regularly. Brake fluid and coolant levels. Yes, EVs have coolant for battery temperature regulation. HVAC system filters. Dirty filters reduce efficiency. Battery cooling system. A failing cooling system can cause battery overheating. Software diagnostics. Some issues can be caught early using car diagnostics apps. And there you have it. 10 things you should never do to an electric car. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more expert car tips. See you in the next video. Drive safe and take care.